Good morning, children. In the last class, we discussed some properties of rational numbers, that is, properties of addition of rational numbers. Which are the properties, do you know? First property was closure property, then commutative property, associative property, additive identity, and additive Good morning, children. In the last class, we discussed some properties of rational numbers, that is, properties of addition of rational numbers. Do you know which are the properties? Which was our first property? First property is closure property. Then commutative property, associative property, additive identity, and additive inverse. These 5 properties we have discussed in our last class. And today we are going to discuss properties of subtraction of rational numbers. Then what will be our first property? Same property, closure property. Closure property. We already discussed closure property of integers. That is, if we are subtracting two integers, that is, we are taking two integers, 2 and 3. And the closure property under subtraction, that means we need to find the difference of these two numbers. 2 is an integer and 3 is another integer. Then 2 minus 3 equal to, what is 2 minus 3? Negative 1. So these 3 are 2 and 3 are integers, and the difference of 2 and 3 is negative 1. This negative 1 is another integer. So we can say that closure property is hold for integers. And what about rational numbers? We are taking two rational numbers. First rational number is 2 by 3. And another rational number is 4 by 3. And we are subtracting these two rational numbers, that is 2 by 3 minus 4 by 3. What is its answer? Denominators are same, so we need to subtract the numerators. Then 2 minus 4. 2 minus 4 is negative 2 by 3. It is negative 2 by 3 is another rational number. So we can say that closure property is hold for subtraction of rational numbers. Then this is closure property of subtraction of rational numbers. So if we need to generalize this property, that is, if A and B are two rational numbers, then A minus B is also a rational number. That is the generalization of this closure property of subtraction. That is, if A and B are two integers, then A minus B is also an integer. That is closure property of rational numbers. Next, second property, commutative property. Commutative property. What is commutative property? Commutative property of addition means if you are adding two rational numbers, if we are adding two rational numbers, suppose 2 by 3 plus 4 by 3. If you are adding two rational numbers, our answer second property, commutative property. Commutative property. What is commutative property of rational numbers under addition? That is, if we have two rational numbers, suppose 2 by 3 and 4 by 3, two rational numbers, we can add two rational numbers in any order. That is, 2 by 3 plus 4 by 3 is 2 plus 4 by 3, that is 6 by 3. Here we added 2 by 3 plus 4 by 3. And what about 4 by 3 plus 2 by 3? 4 by 3 plus 2 by 3, which is equal to 4 plus 2 by 3, that is 6 by 3. That is 2 by 3 plus 4 by 3 equal to 6 by 3, and also 4 by 3 plus 2 by 3 also equal to 6 by 3. That is, if we have two rational numbers A and B, A plus B is equal to B plus A. That is, we can add two rational numbers in any order. And what about subtraction? We can take the same rational numbers, 2 by 3 and 4 by 3, and we are subtracting these numbers, 2 by 3 minus 4 by 3. Then here, which is equal to 2 minus 4 by 3. 2 minus 4 is minus 2 by 3. And next we need to subtract 4 by 3 minus 2 by 3, which is equal to 4 minus 2 by 3. That is, 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 by 3. Here 2 by 3 minus 4 by 3 is negative 2 by 3, and here 4 by 3 minus 2 by 3, which is equal to positive 2 by 3. This negative 2 by 3 is not equal to 2 by 3. So we can say that if A and B, if A and B are two rational numbers, then A minus B is not equal to B minus A. So this commutative property is not satisfying for subtraction of rational numbers. Then next property, which is our next property, associative property. Our third property is associative property. Associative property. We know what is associative property. To prove this associative property, how many rational numbers are needed? 3 rational numbers. We need A, B, C. A, B, C are 3 different rational numbers. And what is associative property of addition of rational numbers? That is, we are adding A plus B plus C. First we are adding these two numbers, which is equal to A plus B plus C. Here we are adding first two rational numbers at first, and here second two rational numbers at first. Okay, then we need to prove the same property, that is A minus B minus C. Here first we are subtracting the two rational numbers equal to A minus B minus C. We need to check, is it equal? Okay, can you say, will it be equal? A minus B minus C equal to A minus B minus C. Here we are subtracting A minus B at first, and here B minus C at first. Then we can check, we can take some rational numbers, that is same rational numbers we are taking, 2 by 3, 4 by 3 and 5 by 3. That is A equal to 2 by 3, B equal to 4 by 3 and C equal to 5 by 3. Anyway, 3 rational numbers are there and we need to check is it possible. That means is it equal or not. Then that is if you are taking this part, that is A minus B minus C, first we need to subtract 2 by 3 minus 4 by 3 minus 5 by 3. Here 2 by 3 minus 4 by 3. Denominators are same, so subtract the numerators. 2 minus 4, which is minus 2 by 3 minus 5 by 3. That is minus 2 minus 5, which is minus 7 by 3. Next, we need to prove this part, that is A minus B minus C. Here A is 2 by 3 minus B minus C. Our B is 4 by 3. 4 by 3 minus 5 by 3. Then 2 by 3 minus 4 by 3 minus 5 by 3. What is 4 minus 5? 4 minus 5 is minus 1 by 3, which is equal to 2 by 3. Here minus 1 minus sign is there and here another minus. So minus into minus plus 1 by 3, which is equal to 3 by 3. That is 1. 3 by 3 means 1. Here 2 by 3 minus 4 by 3 minus 5 by 3 is equal to minus 7 by 3. And here first we subtracted 4 by 3 minus 5 by 3 and our answer is 1. That is negative 7 by 3 is not equal to 1. Therefore, we can say that A minus B minus C is not equal to A minus B minus C. So, we discussed 3 properties. First one, closure property. That is closure property of subtraction of rational numbers. That is, if A and B are 2 rational numbers, then A minus B is also a rational number. After that, commutative property. Commutative property means we need to subtract 2 rational numbers in any order. That also not satisfy for rational numbers. That is, if A and B are 2 rational numbers, A minus B not equal to B minus A. It is commutative property. Commutative property. And third one, associative property. Associative property. That is, we need 3 rational numbers A, B and C. Then A minus B minus C not equal to A minus B minus C. These 2 properties are not satisfying subtraction of rational numbers, and this closure property. Closure property, it is satisfying. That is, if A and B are 2 rational numbers, A minus B is another rational numbers. That's all for today. Thank you.